Good evening, members of the media, distinguished guests, representatives of the participating schools, and friends of the Saints Quadrangular. On behalf of the organizing committee, it gives me a great pleasure to warmly welcome you to the press conference of the 56th Saints Quadrangular Tournament. The Saints Quadrangular Tournament holds a proud and cherished place in our sporting calendar. It was inaugurated in 1963 by Old Ben's Sports Club to commemorate the Diamond Jubilee celebrations. Since then, this tournament has grown to become the oldest and most enduring competition of its kind, fostering fellowship and sportsmanship among the past students of our 4 esteemed schools. While the tournament has stood the test of time, it was not held in the year 1970, 1978, 1994 and 1997. Due to unavoidable circumstances, nonetheless it continues to thrive, a testament to passion that unite our past pupils. The primary objective of this tournament has always been to bring together the old boys of our 4 participating schools and their families, to review old friendship, strengthen bonds, and celebrate the spirit of brotherhood and friendly contest that began during our school days. This year, the hosting rights are proudly held by the Old Joes, and we look forward to an exciting series of events under their capable stewardship. In 2002, an over 40 tournament was introduced to encourage continued participation and inclusivity. Then in 2004, during the 150th anniversary celebration of Old Anthonians, the organizer expanded the event to include rugby, basketball, and badminton, adding a carnival atmosphere to the festivities. Although rugby and badminton did not continue in the years of immediately following, rugby was successfully reintroduced in 2014 and has since become a regular and much anticipated feature of the quadrangular. Continuing in the spirit of innovation and inclusion, in the 2024, the organizers introduced an invitation to 6-a-side softball cricket tournament featuring the 4 sister schools, Good Shepherd Convent Kandy, Good Shepherd Convent Colombo 13, St. Bridget Convent Colombo 2 and Holy Family Convent Colombo 4. This new addition has brought fresh excitement and glamour to the event, highlighting the unity and the shared sporting spirit across our extended family of schools. Today, the Saints Quadrangular has evolved into a highly competitive year-friendly tournament, showcasing not only school pride but also remarkable sporting talent. Many national level athletes proudly represent their alma maters in this series, reflecting the high caliber of the competition while preserving its trademark spirit. We kindly request our friends in the media to extend your valued support by giving the historic tournament the coverage and visibility it deserves. Your efforts play a vital role in celebrating our shared supporting heritage and inspiring future generations to carry forward this proud tradition. Before I conclude, I wish to express my heartfelt gratitude to our sponsors for their generous support and partnership. Their commitment has been instrumental in making the 56th Saints Quadrangular Tournament possible and ensuring its continued success. Thank you all for your presence and continued encouragement. Together, let's make the 56th Saints Quadrangular Tournament a memorable and unifying celebration of the friendship, sportsmanship, and tradition. Thank you.
Thank you, Devinder, for introduction. Small. And already our president, tournament president, explained most of the things, and he has already covered. And let me this tournament we were hosting this tournament hosted by this year by St. Joseph's, and we having this tournament in two places. Venue is St. Peter's College and St. Joseph's College, and three events, three type of sports we are going to have it. That is cricket, basketball, and rugby. In cricket we have over 40 and below 40, and basketball also over 40 and below 40. Rugby we have still in a main. Hello. And well, rugby we have only one category only, the 7-a-side. So rules will be for the cricket ICC T20 rules, and basketball FIBA rules, and world rules of the rugby world type. So any and also if there is a bad weather condition, we are planning to have it knockout playing basketball at Royal College, because we can't play it in weather conditions in the college courts, so we have to shift it to the Royal College. So based on the weather condition, and ladies tournaments also we have, that is 6-a-side cricket. That is 8 players can register, 6 players can play, 5 overs, 5 overs you can play bowl. So there will be two matches thoroughly going in the same time, and will be played at morning hours, and we have changed the schedule also. So we have to both 4 matches, 4 teams has to play in one time in 2 sides. It's a softball field. All the finals of the cricket over 40 and the main below 40 all played in St. Joseph's. Basketball all played in St. Joseph's, course morning and evening, and the finals will be played at Sunday. And we're going to have it a carnival atmosphere and I want to thank the Prithviraj who has organized these 2 places, and that's all. And any other information is already given in the schedule. If you have any clarification, you can ask me.
So as for this is the first time I'm coming for this. Last year I was not here, and we are hoping to have a friendly match with whoever we are playing. And yes, as he said, it's all about sisterhood. Yeah, thank you.
President of the PPA, and last year it was a surprise to join them, and it was really nice to see the 4 sister schools joining the Saints for this match. And this year we are looking forward to the same friendship, playing not to win but just to enjoy the game. Thank you for inviting us again.
I'm Shilani Thaniseram from St. Bridget's Convent, and I would like to say thank you for including us from last year, and it was a great opportunity for us actually as sister schools to be part of cricket, because cricket has always been a boys' game. So thank you for including us. And well, we won the trophy last year, so we hope to bring it back, but all in friendly spirit. So all the best to the sister schools and the boys' schools. So let's hope this is as good as it gets.
I'm Fasna Gamoor, Secretary of the Fast People's Association of Polytechnic Convent Bangladesh. So we are thankful and grateful to have been invited to this event, and we are very willing to and power back to play this with the whole team. Thank you.
Normally they happen 1 versus 4 and 2 versus 3. So I will shuffle and keep in the table usually. And good luck to you all.
Who goes first? The candy. Good Shepherd Convent. Okay. Okay. Holy Family. Okay. Next.
St. Bridget's.
St. Bridget's Convent. Then St. Bridget's. Good Shepherd Convent.
Candy.
Good Shepherd Convent. Candy. Will be Good Shepherd Convent. Color.
Thank you, sisters.
Thank you.
Good luck to you all.
Thank you, Mr. Madhura. දෙදස් විසිපා දෙදස් විසිය 56 වෙනි වතාවට මේ අවුරුද්දේ පැවැත්වෙන මේ නිවාඩු 8 සහ 9 දිනවල ශාන්ත ජෝසප් විද්‍යාලය සහ ශාන්ත පීඨ විද්‍යාලය පරිශ්‍රයේදී හැදියාව සංස්කෘතිය ඒකායන පරමාර්ථය කරගත් සහෝදරත්වය තුළින් ශ්‍රී ලංකාවේ ප්‍රථම වතාවට ජනගත කෙරුණු පාසල් සමූහයකින් සැදුම් ලත් සාන්තුවරයන්ගේ පදනම මේ වෙනකොට අති සාර්ථකව දිගු ගමනක් යැවෙන්න තවත් අපේ සහෝදරියන් පිරිසක් එකතුව දෙවන වරට සංවිධානය වෙන තරගාවලියක් ක්‍රිකට් පැසිපන්දු සහ රග යන තරගාංශ තුනෙන්ම ක්‍රීඩා කෙරෙන අවුරුදු 40න් ඉහළ අවුරුදු 40න් පහළ සෑම ජන කොට්ටාශයක්ම සෑම ආදි සිසුවෙක්ම සහභාගී වන අති උත්කර්ෂවත් තරගාවලියක් බව කියමු. මාධ්‍යවේදීන් හැටියට ශ්‍රී ලංකාවේ මෙවැනි සංස්කෘතියක් උපසංස්කෘතියක් ඇති කළ සාන්තුවරයන්ගේ පදනමට ඔයගලන් දක්වන සහයෝගය ඉතාමත් ගෞරවපූර්වකව ප්‍රශංසාපූර්වකව ඉස්සරමාචාර කරන අතරම අපි බලාපොරොත්තු වෙනවා මේ තරගාවලිය මේ වසරේදී ජනගත කරන්න ඔබේ මාධ්‍ය මෙහෙවර යුතුයකම් නිසි ලෙස අපි වෙන්නේ ලැබිය කියලා. ඒ වගේම අපේ අනුග්‍රහයක දක්වන LOLC ෆයිනෑන්ස් සමාගමට ප්‍රීමා පුතුනි සමාගමට හේමාස් ආරෝග්‍ය ශාලා සමූහයට Fox FM රේඩියෝ channelට අපි ඉතා ගෞරවපූර්වක ස්තුතියි පුද කරන්න කැමතියි. සාන්ත අන්තෝනි විද්‍යාලය මහනුවර, ශාන්ත බෙනදික්ත විද්‍යාලය කොළඹ, ශාන්ත ජෝසප් විද්‍යාලය කොළඹ, ශාන්ත පීටර් විද්‍යාලය කොළඹ ඒ කණ්ඩායම් හතරෙන් සැදුල ක්‍රීඩා සමාජයන්ගේ ආදි ශිෂ්‍යයන් මෙතුවක් කාල කරපු කැපකිරීම වල ප්‍රතිඵලයක් තමයි 1969 ඉඳන් අද දක්වා දශක 6කට අධික ප්‍රමාණයක් අපි මෙසේ ඔබ හමුවන්නේ. ශුද්ධ පෞලේ කන්‍යාරාමයේ මහනුවර ශුද්ධ පෞලේ කන්‍යාරාමයේ යහපත් ඉන්දියාගේ කන්‍යාරාමයේ මහනුවර යහපත් ඉන්දියාගේ කන්‍යාරාමයේ කොළඹ ශාන්ත බ්‍රිජට් කන්‍යාරාමයේ කොළඹ සහ ශුද්ධ පෞලේ කන්‍යාරාමයේ කොළඹ යන පාසල් හතරේ ඉන්නේ අපේම සහෝදරයන් ඉතාමත් සැදී පැහැදී ඉන්නේ ආශ්‍රාවේ ක්‍රිකට් තරගාවලියක සුවඳ ක්‍රිකට් තරගාවලියක මෙවරත් සහභාගී වෙන්නේ. ඉතින් මේ දක්වන ප්‍රයාමය අපිට ශක්තියක් වන්නේ මේ හැමගේම ප්‍රමුඛයෙන් හැමගේම දායකත්වය. එසේනම් මේ තරගාවලිය තව තවත් ඉදිරියට ගෙනියන්න අපේ සංවිධාන කමිටුව සැදී පැහැදී ඉන්නවා. මේ මූලාසනාරූඪ නියෝජිතයන් මෙන්ම තවත් නන්-අයුරින් සහයෝගය දක්වන ආදිසිසුන් පිරිසක් මේ තරගාවලියට සහභාගී වෙනවා. මොකද මේ තරගාවලිය පමණයි ලංකාවේ මෙන්ම පිටරට විදේශීය තරගාවලියක් වශයෙන් දීර්ඝ වශයෙන් කරන්නා වූ එකම තරගාවලිය. ඉතින් මාධ්‍ය සභාවන්ට බොහෝ ආචාර කරමින් So that's the jersey of Sakova basketball. From St. Benedict's, receiving the jersey of St. Benedict's College. Receiving the jersey from Prithviraj Silva. The captain of St. Peter's. So that's the official jersey for basketball. Next, we move on to the rugby. St. Benedict's College, the captain of St. Benedict's College Rugby. St. Joseph's College Rugby, the captain is last but not least, St. Peter's College, the captain of
did the draw according to the yes number. So first team was HFC, that was number 1 team, right? Number 2 was St. Bridget's. Number 3 was Good Shepherd College, Kandy. Number 4 was Good Shepherd College, Kodingalle. So the first match will be between HFC and Good Shepherd College, Kodingalle. And the second match will be between St. Bridget's College and Good Shepherd College, Kandy.
One minute.
අපි ඕල් බොයිස්ලා හැටියට ඉස්කෝල හතරේ අපි එකතු වෙලා මේ තරගය තියෙනවා. ට්‍රොෆිස් ටික මේ පේනවා. මේ විදිහට තමයි අපි මේවට තමයි අපි වැලියුස් දාලා තියෙන්නේ. සල්ලි නෙමෙයි.
What is the format of representatives? How many overs?
T20. ඔව්. සෑහෙන ප්‍රමාණයක් අපේ මේ ටූර්නමන්ට් එකේ ඉන්න ඇන්ජලෝ මැතිව්ස්, තිසර පෙරේරා, එතකොට සෙන්ට් පීටර්ස් එකේ තරග කරපු ජාත්‍යන්තර මට්ටමේ තරග කරපු කට්ටිය මේ ටූර්නමන්ට් එක ප්ලේ කරනවා. සැටර්ඩේ ගෙස්ට් ඔෆ් හොනර් දිලුක් විජේරත්න තමයි අපේ ඕල් බොයිස් St. Joseph's Old Boy කෙනෙක්, distinguished Old Boy කෙනෙක්. And chief guest editor සහභාගී වෙන්නේ Dr. Kenneth D. Silva, St. Joseph's College එකේ distinguished Old Boy කෙනෙක්. And covering this occasion and taking the good news to the Sri Lanka, and please take good news, and any other questions, if you have any clarification after this event, you can discuss with us. And I want to thank Ojo's Sports Club for giving this venue to host it. Danushka and I want to thank our sister schools and coming and being with us here, and it's a great support and also giving a lot of energy to make it more glamorous event. And thank you for being with us. And I want to thank Fabian, St. Peter's College, who was with me right throughout and supporting me to make it this event. And also I want to thank Anura, from President of the St. Benedict's College. He was supporting me to arrange all the media side and to, day and night, even the midnight also he calling me and arranging all the invitations. Yeah, and then I want to thank Rimas, our assistant treasurer, who came forward and accepted and support me to balance the finance side. It's really, very supportive and helped me to make it this event successful.